music teachers and the art teachers in the city of Dallas do a tremendous job.
Dolores has a long relationship with the Dallas Symphony, particularly in a program for young strings, a program she helped launch and remains close to her heart, as does the Friends of WRR Musical Instrument Donation Drive, which puts unused instruments in the hands of young, first-time musicians.
It's putting value where it should be, putting it back in the hands of youngsters, young women, and men who are going to be musicians.
Dolores Barzoon, member of the Friends of WRR Board of Directors. To find out more how you can contribute or join, visit friendsofwrr.org.
The next hour of music is commercial-free, presented by the Friends of WRR. Information at friendsofwrr.org.